Hello, and welcome everybody. I am super excited about today's video. As you all know, digital marketing is near and dear to my heart. And as I always say on this channel, it's the skills that pay the bills, people. You do not need to go to college to get a good job. There are tons of great platforms like Coursera that offer training, that offer courses and certificates in things like digital marketing and e-commerce, which are in super high demand right now. And the great thing is you can do these jobs from anywhere, right? These are remote jobs that you can do from home. So today I'm going to talk all about the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate that's offered on the Coursera platform. Now, I do want to let you guys know that Coursera houses the actual training, but this training, guys, is actually taught by Google instructors. So you know that you are getting the best training out there. And what I love about digital marketing and e-commerce is the skills that you guys are going to learn in this training. You can use them to do just about anything. You can go out there and get a job with a company. You could work as a freelancer, or you could start your own business. There are endless possibilities with these certificates. The knowledge you guys are going to learn is absolutely life-changing. I know because it's changed mine. So pay close attention. Now, a couple key things before I actually show you behind the scenes, show you what you're going to learn, is that it's not like a traditional college or four-year degree. You can actually complete this program in about 6 months. They say it takes about 10 hours per week to complete the course. Now, what's really cool is it's actually made up of 7 little mini courses within the actual overall digital marketing e-commerce training. So you can go through each course or module, if you will, and as you complete these, you can add these to your CV on LinkedIn, which is going to help you stand out among the competition on LinkedIn and help your chances and better your chances of getting a good high-paying position. In fact, there are over 200,000 digital marketing positions available right now, and the average salary is $59,000, which is amazing. The certificate is going to help you guys land a high-paying entry-level job in digital marketing and e-commerce. And you don't need any experience to take this training. It's super beginner friendly. You don't need a college degree. It's also 100% online. It's self-paced. You can do it from anywhere. And as I mentioned before, the certificates are actually taught by Google. So again, you know you're getting the best training out there. Now, what's different about Coursera than some of the other trainings I've talked about on my channel is that they actually have a monthly plan, and it is super affordable. It's only $39 per month, and you can get started with a 7-day free trial. Now, I'm going to put a link below. Full disclosure, that is my affiliate link. If you guys sign up, you end up signing up for the monthly, I will get a commission for that. So thank you so much, but it is at no additional cost to you guys. I highly recommend you check it out. You get a 7-day free trial. Also, you can take the digital marketing training and the e-commerce training, but you can also take all the other trainings they have as well. That's one of my favorite things about Coursera, is that they have endless amounts of training for you guys to check out. And I love the way that the training is broken up. You have video, you have audio, there's going to be tests and assessments, learning labs. So everything you guys need to make sure that when you complete the certificate, you are ready to go and you have all the information, all the ammo you need to go out there and absolutely crush it. All right, so once you come to Coursera, you're going to go to the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Now, you can see over here at the right, this is something I want to point out to you guys, is that this particular certificate has a rating of 4.8 with over 15,000 reviews, okay? This is the real deal. This is an excellent training. And again, you can complete it in 6 months at about 10 hours a week. And of course, you have a flexible schedule. Now let's dig into the actual courses, okay? So there are 7 courses within this actual series, okay, for this professional certificate. Now, the first one is the foundations of digital marketing and e-commerce. This is definitely where you want to start because this is going to give you a good overview, a good understanding of digital marketing and e-commerce, and let you know, first of all, hey, is this right for me? Is this something that I want to pursue? So you're going to learn all about digital marketing and e-commerce. You're going to learn about the job responsibilities of a digital marketer and an e-commerce specialist. You're also going to learn about the concept of a marketing funnel. Now, as a digital marketer, I can tell you right now, the marketing funnel, that is the lifeblood of my business. You're going to learn about the customer journey, right? What does it take to get somebody who's ice cold, somebody who knows nothing about your product or your service, and take them through your funnel to a sale, okay? You're also going to learn about strategy and goals. So this is a very, very important lesson. That's probably why it is the first one. So you're not going to want to skip that. Then the next course in the series is attract and engage customers with digital marketing. So this is where you're going to get more into strategy. You're going to learn about building brand awareness among your potential customers. You're also going to learn about SEO or search engine optimization. If you're not familiar with that, that's okay. You will be very familiar once you complete this, but this is how people find you online, right? They go into search, they search in a keyword, and that's how they find your business or your service. So you're going to learn all about that, and you're going to learn about search engine marketing and how it actually benefits your business. Next up, I love this one, from likes to leads, interact with customers online. So we're going to start digging into social media marketing here. You're going to learn about its purpose, how it can help businesses grow. So this is beyond your simple friends account that you have on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. You're going to learn how to use social media because it is an extremely powerful weapon in the online world. You're going to learn how to use it to actually build a business. And they're going to go into the pillars of social media marketing: strategy, planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics, reporting, advertising, everything you need, right? Also, how to define goals of an actual social media campaign, right? Because there has to be a plan behind it. And then you're going to learn about writing, designing, and actually repurposing content for social media. So this is a big one. Then think outside the inbox, email marketing. I talk about email marketing a lot on my channel. And if you've been watching me, you know that 80% of my income comes from my email marketing. And what I love about it is my email marketing, right? My email business is running 24/7 on autopilot. So you're going to learn all about this. You're going to learn about how email marketing fits into the digital marketing strategy. You're also going to learn how to write effective email copy. I'm going to say that again, how to write effective email copy. This is crucial, guys. So important. You're going to learn about subject lines and how to preview text. You're going to learn how to test, execute, and optimize an email marketing campaign, okay? An email marketing campaign is something that you put together. It's like a series of emails that takes people from cold to hot, basically introduces them to your product or service, and then ultimately gets them to buy. You're also going to learn about measuring and analyzing these campaign results. This is a super valuable skill set, guys, whether you take it to work for an employee or you use it for yourself. You will use this skill the rest of your life. Next, assess for success, marketing analytics and measurement, right? You need to know what is going on behind the scenes, right? Are people opening your emails? Are they clicking on your ads? Are they going to your website? So you're going to learn all about analytics, how to measure those. You're going to define media planning and strategies. You're going to be able to describe what defines a successful marketing campaign. You're also going to learn about performance goals, budgeting, and strategy. Also, how to create presentations and reports. So this is very important. Then you have make the sale, build, launch, and manage e-commerce stores. Again, make the sale. So you're going to understand essential e-commerce strategies and practices. Also, you're going to be able to explain what e-commerce stores and platforms are and how they work. Also, you're going to have hands-on experience with Shopify in this course, and you're going to actually set up a mock e-commerce store using the Shopify platform. And then lastly, satisfaction guaranteed, develop customer loyalty online. So here you're going to identify common strategies for building customer loyalty. You're going to learn how to manage client relationships and measure satisfaction, right? Are people happy with what you're doing? And then you're going to find, apply for, and actually prepare for interviews and jobs, guys. I'm going to say that again. You're going to find, apply for, and prepare for interviews and jobs. So you're going to learn how to put together your portfolio and your resume that you can actually present to employers. I hope that you guys see how powerful this professional certificate is. This is life-changing, people. If you've been looking for a sign, you've been looking for something, this is it right here. And again, like I mentioned earlier, is the skills that you will learn here, guys. You can take these skills and certainly go get a job as a digital marketer or an e-commerce specialist, but you can also use these skills, guys, to start your own business. You can use these skills to become a freelancer. Even if you go out there and do get a job with a company, I still recommend that you create a profile on a site like Upwork. That is a freelancing website, totally free to do, and freelance at night and on the weekends. Why not? You can make some extra money. These skills are in high demand. People want to pay you for your knowledge. People need help. People want to make money online and they need you to help them do that. So again, I hope you guys see the power in this training and how life-changing this information is. Yes, I'm a little excited because this is what I do, people, and I love to share it with you. So please check it out. Now I'm going to put the link below for you guys. You can get started with a 7-day free trial. Check it out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I wish you nothing but the best, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.